Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. For those of you that are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be me doing a makeup look. I don't know, whatever comes to my head, that's what I'm gonna do. So I haven't done any makeup look in a while, so let's get into the video. We're gonna moisturize our face because we're in the cold weather still, and
the cameras are here.
Your skin is gonna be dry. It is super thick, so I'm gonna take a little bit. Dip.
Oh, you thought because it was a bigger platform.
Okay, so face moisturize. Now we're gonna go in with our primer.
This looks more than that. Have said this same exact sentence over and over for 6 years as I've pioneered and tried to do things that people told me wasn't possible.
I'm gonna go in and use this NYX Professional Makeup Brow Pencil. The color is an Espresso. I'm gonna go in with this little Drugstore palette as well. I'm gonna go in with this dark tone here first. So we're gonna go with this palette, and I'm going to go with the dark one first and the light one so you can like lighten it up. So you see that? You see? One.
When they got to the land, they didn't take selfies of the fish.
But guess what? I'm just gonna put it like at the edge here because I want inside to be dark and the edge here is gonna get a little. So you see that? This little boy here, the little glittery one, with the inner corner of my eyes. So what am I gonna do next? I'm gonna add some glitter to my eyes, some purple glitter. Okay, this is not the one that I expected to come up. Gonna have some of this baby purple right here, and I have some glitter primer by Kiss. So here we go. So I put it halfway. Dark brown hair, dark purple hair, because I wanted to be popping a little bit more at the corner of my eyes. So
you will live and